Are you frustrated that your Yale keypad just stopped working? Don't panic. We'll walk through quick fixes together. First, check the batteries. Most keypad issues are caused by low or dead batteries. Open the battery cover and swap them out for fresh ones. Still not working? Try pressing each button. If some buttons don't light up or respond, the keypad might be dirty. Gently wipe it with a dry cloth. No water or cleaners. Next, check for a lockout mode. If you entered the wrong code too many times, your lock may pause for a few minutes. Wait it out, then try your code again slowly. If it's still not working, make sure the lock isn't jammed. Try opening and closing the door. Sometimes the lock needs realignment. Tighten any loose screws. You see, finally reset the lock. There's usually a small reset button inside the battery compartment. Hold it down for 10 seconds. Reprogram your code and test the keypad. If none of these steps work, check your manual or contact Yale support. Don't let a stubborn keypad keep you out. Most problems have a simple fix. You've got this.